Welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing a Clash Mini tier list of all the minis. And yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Now, first up is the Knight. I feel like he's a D tier. He's good for controlling and keeping people away and distracting, but I don't think he's much else. So maybe C tier actually. Yeah, C tier. And next up is Royal Ghost. I think he's A tier, straight up. He's really good. He gives invisibility to two other of your minis, which is so good. It it A tier all the way. So next up, Barbarian. I don't really like him. He's the basic group in Clash Mini. I think he's an F tier, to be honest. There's nothing really special about him, and his upgrades aren't that great. So yeah, F tier. Skeleton Guard. Um, his shield is pretty good, but doesn't have much else going for him. I'd say D tier. Yeah, D tier. Lumberjack. Lumberjack is pretty good. Is rage at the end, but you have to die for it. And his upgrades are okay. I'd say B tier. Spear Goblin. He has one main ability where he can throw his spear, but other than that, not much. I'm gonna say E tier. And next we have up the Archer. I think the Archer's okay. Gets the back lines, which is pretty helpful, and the cost isn't that much in Elixir. So I'd say D tier. I think D tier is good for Wizard. He has that splash, but yeah, the splash is pretty good. Deals some damage overall. Yeah. Say C tier. Ice Wizard. His slow is quite fun to use, so I'm gonna put him A tier. He's quite funny to see slow. Next we have this giant skeleton. I'd say B tier. He's a good bro. He's a good mini. Fisherman. Don't really like Fisherman. Again with, like I was saying with the Spear Goblin, he just has one thing going for him and nothing else. So I'm gonna put him E tier. Musketeer. I don't really like her. She's overpriced. She's got a bit of a stomp, but I don't like it, bro. With the mini. So G tier. And Fisherman. I think he's good. I think he's really good. I'm putting him A tier. You can just, with his boast abilities, you can just steamroll over everyone, and it's really good. Yeah. Mini P.E.K.K.A. I don't like the Mini P.E.K.K.A. Like, he's good, but he doesn't have any cool abilities. I'm gonna put him in G tier with the Musketeer. Dark Goblin. I think it's pretty cool. He ramps up, and that's pretty nice. I think B tier. Yeah, he ramps up really quickly. Boulder. It's like Dark Goblin, but slightly better. Yeah. Okay, we'll just go to the. Okay. Healing Ranger. I think the Healing Ranger is okay. She's just got. It's like a one trick pony. And she's got her super. good for healing, like with healing tanky brawlers or mini. Sorry, I think C tier. C tier. It's good. Valkyrie. I don't really like Valkyrie. She does splash damage, but I don't. No, I don't like her. I'm gonna put her F tier. Yeah, I think F tier sounds good. Giant, golden giant. I think it's pretty good. I think C tier. Good tank. C tier. Prince. I think he's pretty bad because if he hits, actually no, he'd be pretty good because you can guarantee get a hit. He used to not be able to guarantee a hit because you can move the troops around, but you can. So I'd say B tier. B tier. Okay, P.E.K.K.A. P.E.K.K.A.'s pretty good, but I think there's better options like Mega Knight. Like he has some good damage. He's very slow though. He's very slow. I'm gonna put him in. Not that maneuverable. Magic Archer. Magic Archer's fun. He can pierce. I think he's A tier. He's really good once you grab him up. Oh. So yeah, I think he's A tier. Battle Healer. Battle Healer. I don't know. I think she's D tier. She's D tier. I don't know. She doesn't really play well. Mega Knight. I love Mega Knight. I think he's B tier, personally. I don't care what you guys think. He's B tier. He's B tier. Bandit. I'd say C tier. She's pretty good, but she can be countered pretty easily. Electro Wizard. I don't know. I don't like the Electro Wizard that much. I'm gonna put him in D tier. I think that's fair. And then Witch. Witch is pretty good. I'm gonna put her in A tier. When she ramps up, really good. Gets really good. And the Dagger Goblin. I'm gonna put him in C tier just to start out. I haven't played him, so yeah. So if you like this video, like the video and subscribe. And this has been my tier list. If you want another one, subscribe. I think its bomb is pretty nice, but yeah.